I chose the Wi-Fi and broadband program at Mitchell Tech because I interned at Golden West, and I like the work that I've seen here, and I heard that this place is one of the best to go to.
Two of my friends were former graduates, and they kind of talked me into it and showed me what they enjoyed about the industry.
Lots of hands-on work, not just sitting down and learning. It's just you're doing it, so you learn more that way.
It's all hands-on stuff, and it's not a lot of just staring at a book.
You're dealing with new and improved technology every day, and it feels like they always have something new the next week for us to get our hands on.
So in the splicing process, you have to strip the fiber back, and then it's always got to be clean. And then you cleave it down to the right length, and then you put it into the splicer and it splices it together.
We can learn how to use actual technology that's in the field and get better.
I'm not sitting at a desk and just working on something there. I'm always out doing something with my hands.
And then improve basically service for customers in the future.
Right now we were working on clamshells in our lab, and we were learning how to locate and place flags outside.
I'm learning new things basically every day when I come to class.
It's definitely a growing industry, so you got a lot of opportunities.
You can impact the world in a good way by giving people good service, and that's just the best thing you can do.
Be the best at Mitchell Tech.